A 2003 Toyota Camry, 487,000 miles. When I pulled the valve cover, zero sludge. The engine looked like it had 80,000 miles on it. The owner's secret? A 5-step Japanese oil change technique that almost no one in the US is using. Here's exactly how it works. Here's what most American drivers don't realize. The way we were taught to change oil is quietly cutting years off our engines. Most people drain their oil cold. The problem is, cold oil is thick and sluggish. It clings to the engine walls and never fully drains out, leaving contaminated oil behind. Then they slap on a dry filter, which takes precious seconds to fill when the engine first starts, seconds where critical components are running without proper lubrication. And plenty of drivers wait until the oil looks jet black before they bother changing it. By that point, the oil has broken down and left deposits all through the engine. Every mile on degraded oil is quiet damage you can't see until it's too late. And an engine replacement runs $4,000 to $7,000. This technique costs you an extra 10 minutes. When he explained the method, it was surprisingly simple, but almost nobody in the US does it this way. First, warm the engine before you drain anything. Let the engine warm up for a few minutes. Warm oil is thinner and flows faster, carrying built-up contaminants out with it. You're not just draining oil, you're flushing the engine from the inside out. Second, let the oil drain longer than you think you need to. Most people wait 2 or 3 minutes. The Japanese method calls for 10 to 15. Gravity needs time to pull every last drop down into the pan and out. Rushing means leaving dirty oil inside. Third, prime the filter before installing it. If your filter mounts vertically, add a little fresh oil into it first and let it soak for a minute. This preloads it so your engine gets full lubrication from the very first revolution. No dry start, no unprotected metal. Fourth, fill the new oil slowly and check the dipstick carefully. Don't rush to top it off immediately. Overfilling causes just as much damage as running low. Aim for the middle of that acceptable range. Finally, let the engine idle for 2 to 3 minutes after the change. Let the fresh oil circulate through every passage and bearing before you drive anywhere. That's it. Simple, deliberate, and remarkably effective. In Japan, cars routinely hit 300,000 miles because maintenance isn't optional. It's a discipline. These 5 steps are that discipline. The difference between an engine that lasts 150,000 miles and one that lasts 500,000 comes down to habits, not luck. Warm the engine, drain it fully, prime the filter, fill slowly, idle after the change. These steps cost you nothing but a little extra time. Do this every oil change, and your engine might still be running strong long after most cars would already be in the scrapyard. Want more engine life tricks like this? Subscribe. I'll share another one in the next video.